Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. Line C and D are perpendicular. If the equation of line C is y equals to mx plus b and the lines intersect at point 7, 6, which point lies on line D? Okay, now let me draw two lines so that they are perpendicular to each other. Okay, here I have drawn two lines and these two lines intersect at right angle because they are perpendicular. So this is line C and this is line D. Here we have the equation for line C and this m represents the slope. That is the slope of line C is m. Let me write over here. Slope of line C is m. Okay, now let's get the slope of line D. Okay, since the two lines C and D are perpendicular, we will be able to get the slope of line D from the slope of line C. Okay, here the slope of line C is m. Now to get the slope of line D, we have to take reciprocal of this m, then we get 1 over m, and also we have to take opposite sign of this slope. Here we have positive m, then it has to be negative. Okay, here I got the slope of line D, that is a negative 1 over m. And let's consider this information. There is a lines intersect at 7, 6. So here we have the point of intersection, that is 7, 6. Okay, now in the given answer choices, we have to get the point which lies on line D. Okay, now let me check whether we can have this point on line D. Okay, let me take this point on line D over here. That is 7 positive m, 7. Okay, now let me take this is x1 and this is y1 and this is x2 and this is y2. Here we have 2 points on line D. We can use the formula to get the slope of line D. When we know 2 points on a line, there is a formula to get the slope that is equal to y2 negative y1 divided by x2 negative x1. Okay, here the value of y2 is 7, negative the value of y1 is 6, and x2 is 7 positive m, and x1 is just 7. Okay, here this positive value, negative value will cancel out, and 7 negative 6 is 1. We get 1 over m. But already we got the slope of line D, that is negative 1 over m, but here we get 1 over m. So the point we have an answer choice A does not give the slope. Already we got it negative 1 over m. So the answer choice A is incorrect. Okay, now let me erase the stuff over here. Okay, let me erase it. Okay, let's reject answer choice A. Okay, now let's verify the point we have an answer choice B. Okay, now let me take this point on line D, that is 2m, 8. Already we have taken this point as x1, y1, then it has to be x2, y2. Let's find the slope using the same formula. For y2 we have 8 and for y1 we have 6. For x2 we have 2m and for x1 we have 7. Okay, 8 negative 6 is 2 and here the denominator cannot be simplified anymore. We have to write it as it is. Okay, here I don't get the slope. Already we have that is negative 1 over m. So the point 2m, 8 in answer choice B will not lie on line D. We can reject answer choice B as well. Okay, now let's verify answer choice C. That is, let's take this point on line D. That is 7 negative 3m, 3. So this is x2 and y2. Okay, here y2 is 3 and y1 is 6 and x2 is 7 negative 3m and x1 is 7. Okay, here 3 negative 6 is negative 3 and this positive value, negative value will cancel. We get negative 3m. Negative will cancel out. This 3 will cancel. We get positive 1 over m. But here we have negative 1 over m as a slope of line D. So the answer choice C is incorrect. Let me erase the stuff. Now let's consider the point in answer choice D. Let's take this point on line D. That is 7 positive 2m, 4. Let's take this is x2, y2. Let me plug in over here into the formula. For y2 we have 4 and for y1 we have 6 and for x2 we have 7 positive 2m and for x1 we have 7. Okay, here 4 negative 6 is negative 2 divided by positive 7, negative 7 will cancel. We get 2m. Okay, here this 2 will cancel. We get negative 1 over m. Whatever slope I got over here for D, line D, the same slope I'm getting over here when I use a point in answer choice D. So this is a point which lies on line D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.